If you are still manually chopping up hour-long streams and paying editors to hunt for a 20-second moment, please stop. There is a much better, smarter path to getting your content noticed online without the constant headache. Meet Vizard, an AI-powered assistant designed to turn your long-form videos into ready-to-post short clips in just a few minutes. You can finally stop scrubbing through footage for hours and forget about the endless back and forth with freelancers. At its core, Vizard is built to automatically identify the viral potential hiding inside your long recordings. It does not just clip videos, it manages your entire content calendar so you can focus on strategy rather than daily uploads. Think of it like an intelligent editor that understands what grabs attention, formats it perfectly, and schedules it automatically. Most creators fail because of a scale problem, not a lack of talent or good ideas. Creating one good short every week simply will not move the needle for your growth. You need volume and consistency, and Vizard fixes that bottleneck by helping you push out dozens of clips reliably. When you log into the dashboard, you are entering your command center where everything stays organized. Head over to the Clips section and you will see your work sorted by status, from processing to scheduled and finished. To start, simply upload any long-form video like a webinar, podcast, or tutorial, and let the AI take over. Vizard scans the file for high-energy spikes, emotional moments, and applause that naturally hook your viewers. It generates dozens of candidate clips, each complete with suggested timestamps and thumbnail frames. You can preview these clips instantly, filtering them by energy, topic, or even specific platform length requirements. The best part is that you can finish the editing right inside the application without needing extra software. You can add text overlays, subtitles, or branded elements with just a few simple clicks. Need to crop for social media or add a quick zoom on a face for emphasis? It is all built in. Now, let's talk about the scheduling feature, which turns this tool into a powerful growth machine. You can hit the auto schedule option, choose your frequency, and let Vizard space your content out intelligently. This means no more manual uploads and no more losing momentum just because you forgot to post. The content calendar is visually powerful, letting you drag and drop clips across different social media platforms. This approach is vastly more efficient than hiring expensive freelancers for every single ad or video snippet. Unlike other tools that just dump raw files on you, Vizard combines the creative extraction with a full publishing engine. The AI's ability to find high-energy moments means you are statistically more likely to post content that gets traction. Over time, you will identify patterns in what your audience loves, allowing you to double down on what truly works. Let's look at a real example where I processed a 75-minute podcast in just a few minutes. It returned 38 candidate clips, including sharp hooks and informative how-to moments. I quickly selected a 15-second hook, cropped it, added captions, and scheduled it for tomorrow morning. Another great feature is the accurate auto-captioning, which even distinguishes between different speakers. You can also tag your clips by topic, keeping your series consistent and your branding on point. Integrations are seamless, allowing you to connect directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Even if a platform requires a manual upload, Vizard prepares a ready-to-go package for you. Of course, if your source footage has poor lighting or muffled audio, even the best AI needs a little human help. But compared to paying an editor by the hour, these minor manual touch-ups are a tiny price to pay. Vizard is built for scale, letting you pay for access to automation rather than per-edit fees. I highly recommend batch recording a few long sessions and letting the AI mine them overnight while you sleep. Wake up to a filled calendar, spend an hour refining the best clips, and you have content for an entire month. That is how creators actually win, by iterating quickly and letting the audience tell you what works. You retain full control over your creative and your schedule without relying on external marketplaces. If you are serious about scaling in 26, stop treating editing as a bottleneck and start using smart tools. Try it out with one of your longest episodes and see exactly what it can pull out for you. There is likely a trial available so you can test the workflow without any credit card surprises. Once you stop fighting the editing grind, you will finally have time to create, which is where the real growth happens.